right, good morning. Let me know if we are in, Travis, and let's get going because we are late already this morning. So I'm looking for some liquidity to
Everything's
come. It's working? We good?
We are live.
Okay, good. And by the way, again, happy Veterans Day. He was telling me, I thought it was yesterday because I was talking to my son yesterday. So it looks like we are going to play from gray to gray, but look, there's an institutional red dash on the power indicator with an institutional major here. I don't like this ping pong 586, 650, Travis. All this area you can see already from the power indicator and from the price action. It's very, very bad. I want to get out of there, but I'm thinking we might go look for liquidity at 400, 325 this morning. We are rejecting yesterday's double red dash. Travis, look, see that? So
Yeah, and the red dash moved way down. I think it was closer to the 720 area yesterday. So yeah, that is moved way down. Allowed us to get into this choppy range now. I am looking for a break below this 580. I have the zone 580 to 490. So if it does break below 580, then I'll be looking for a short at least down to 490 and possibly even to the 400, like you mentioned, up above the 730, which is right around the 6 p.m. Level. But that 25,730 area was a late spike from yesterday. So I'm looking for that as resistance if we get back up there.
I'm looking at a potential retracement towards the 615, 625 on the ES here. That would be the liquidity zone that I'm looking at. If you look at a 4-hour chart, and we go here, and you look at the daily chart, see yesterday's lows was 300. So we cannot breach that 300 low. This is where you kind of look back, find some liquidity around here and back. You got to hold this inverse head and shoulder area, which is, let's say, the 350 area, 400. So this needs to stay in place, everybody, in terms of liquidity and grabbing here. Let's see if we can refine on a 4-hour on this. We just opened, right?
Yes, we just opened. Open price is 605.
Yeah.
NASDAQ. And
so same area, same idea here. They might go and look for liquidity around here. No, that would be 25,000. That would be too much. Maybe that gap and the power indicator edge 300. I think it's going to be a difficult morning. I think we need to see how the open range is going to settle between this 525, and this 550, 650 area. Let's see what happens here.
Yeah, yesterday I was mentioning yesterday's IB high is right on top of this power indicators major level we have, this light blue, right on the 666 level.
Yeah.
That's also where VWAP is at right now, the overnight VWAP. So if we get up there, I think that's going to be possibly good entry short up in that area. It's the 60 to 70 area.
Something is not connecting here. I had a decent top step. I'm very close to pass my top step here. Another one, by the way. So if you look here, I have an Express account already somewhere. Account name here. So I have an Express account already for 150K.
We can't see any of that with the banner in the way. FYI.
Yeah. Well, here I have a 150K account that I'm losing 397 so far, but I passed last week. So that I got, it's not doing well, but I've done few trades on it so far. And this one is about to pass. So I will have myself two 150K top step. Remember, my goal is to have 5. When this is complete, my entire empire is built. I have already 16 funded account. I have I think 11 on Trade.We right there. Here I have 11 funded, and I have 5 trader 5 straight to funded, and I have 5 Lucid, or 3 Lucid on project text, and 3 like here, somewhere here. See, I have the 3 Lucid straight to funded. 1, 2, 3. So you add those. You add those to the 11. That's 13. I have the 3 on Tradify. That's 14, 15. And then I'm building the 2 top steps. So that's 16. So it's really 16 funded account now. So I'm happy with that. You know, I just need to go slowly with some micro on the funded. Yeah. So should we short here? That's the question.
Yeah, I mean this is the
Yeah, I'm
huge
taking,
high from yesterday.
yeah, I'm taking a short.
I want to see it push above to the 660.
I'm taking a short, and I'm putting a stop loss at 6.
Order submitted.
671. I need a short also on the account with you guys. Somehow I'm not connected to the right account. Let me see. For some reason this shit is not connected to. Yeah, it's not connected to the right account. Log out. Log in. Log in here, and my position should show here with you guys. Well, it's not this position.
Order filled.
It's those 2 there that are going up. And let's see what happens. On trade day, I'm short at 25.75, guys, right there. 25.75. This one is an eval, by the way. 25.75. Let's take the same trade here so you can see it. Well, now it's a little late.
Order filled.
But you have it here. My stop loss will be at the same area. I'll try this at the 61. It's holding the red dash pretty good. I'll tell you something.
Yeah, I like the long off of that for now until it can push up a little higher.
It has been holding all morning, this red dash, man.
Yeah, like I said, I really want to see a push below the 580 before I take a short, unless it gets up to the 660. I'll try a short up there.
Yeah, let's see what happens with that. I'm going to go very slowly one NQ. I do not like this very tight range between the red dash and the major power indicator this morning. You still have the power trend looking up on ES, on NQ, you know. The question is, do they look for a little bit more liquidity on the downside today? The cryptos are not doing well. They were doing... the cryptos were doing well, and then now it's shitting the bed. So I don't know. I'm very, very that close to take my Alcon portfolio, which is about 14,007. I started with 11.5, and it's a shame because on Friday was $19,000. Dumbass. I should have taken the 19,000 and trading either on my future personal account or put them into more swing trading options money to sell deep out of the money puts. I'm going slow. I don't have the take profit accounts connected to Ninja this morning. I have decided that this is my golden accounts. My golden accounts will not be copied. They are like my very precious gold on take profit accounts, and I will not copy them. This is starting to be against me. So
Order filled.
Order filled.
I'm taking a little loss here on this account, and I still have the trade with you guys, and let's see where it goes. Yeah,
Connection lost.
the take profit accounts, I'm not, they are my gold, I'm not touching them. And you can see them here, it's very transparent. Yeah, can you see them? I have one, two, three, four pro account, 150K accounts. I have two of them, and one of them, this one, they are sending me to live. They don't want me to take any more money on this one. They say no mas, no mas, no mas, no mas. So they are sending me to live on this one. So hey, we are back making money after losing. Let's see what this market is doing. We're on this stupid range, guys.
Yeah, trend box changing there from up to sideways, basically at the 7 a.m., just below the 7 a.m. Yeah, you can see it back up now. So the 7 a.m. is critical for trend decision here.
Remember, your likes, comments are appreciated, everybody on the feed, so that others can see them. Okay. Why don't I copy the take profit account? Because they are little banks for me. I can get paid every day, daily. I'm not touching them. I'm not copying them. I'm not crossing them. I'm just rotating one take profit pro account to one take profit pro account. I've learned the hard way by copying them once that I had some negative, positive. They took my accounts, which costed me time and money. No, they are golden nuggets. I'm not touching them. When I will have 5 Pro Plus, if they send me, if I get lucky enough to have 5 Pro Plus, which is live accounts, then I might copy two, and one alone for scale. And the reason I love the Pro Plus, I want them to send me to the Pro Plus. Like they send me an email, they say, oh, no mas, we have to send you to the Pro Plus. I'm like, okay, send me to the Pro Plus. I want to be in the Pro Plus.
Yeah, it's end of day trailing plus.
End of day trailing is 90%, 90-10 split, and I get paid every day. Why would not I want that? You know, I don't have to fight the trailing draw. When you get that take profit account, it's the best account in the market. Tiens, I'm making money on that take profit, by the way. So it's the best account in the market. I don't see any other accounts that is better than this.
Top Step Live account is better, but
yeah, I know you're in love with Top Step.
Well, there's a lot. You get a lot more benefits with the live account. You have a risk team. You can a lot of flexibility. You can work with them on your daily loss limit. You can adjust your daily loss limit. You can adjust a lot of parameters. You can even increase size. They give you bonuses, all that kind of stuff. So it's better. Plus, you get all the things with take profit at that point, the daily payouts and all that stuff. No payout.
I don't hate Top Step.
Order filled.
But it's not better than Take Profit Pro Plus. That's all I can tell you.
Live to live, it is definitely better. The sim funded is, you can make the argument for take profit. Not on live.
The live Pro Plus Take Profit account is the best Pro Plus account in the entire market. You have on-cap payout. You have 90-10 split. You have no consistency rule. I mean, it's insane.
You have all that with Top Step Live as well.
Yeah, but it's a lot easier to go live on Pro Plus than to go live on Take.
That's probably true.
Let's focus, guys. Let's focus. I am short on a couple of accounts. Of course, I need to go micros here with those here, right?
Order filled.
I'm starting to take some micros here.
Order filled.
That 620 starts being a problem. Do you see it, Travis?
Yeah, that's the 7 a.m. That's what I was saying. It's a decision point for sure.
Yeah. Maybe we go short 2 with you guys instead of 1.
The only problem is if it holds this 580. I want to see it break the 580.
I'm going to put a stop loss now at, I'm thinking in the 40s, not in the 60s. I'm going to cancel the 60 stop loss from the blue. I had put it on the blue power indicator range bar, but I'm going to put it on blue. I think like that 600, 620 becomes a problem. Do you agree? How far can we go? What was the low here intraday? 573?
Yeah, it wasn't too much further below this. It got down. Oh, that was yesterday morning. So yeah, it was just below this 580, 571 on the full NQ.
Okay. I don't see the volume indicator too well this morning. I am in the wrong charts. I am not on the 1 minute chart. That's the problem. Yeah. It's going down. Yeah.
Going down to the 0 line.
I mean, it's not great down, but it's going down. I mean, it would be smart if they can find a little bit of liquidity, a little lower. Even here, like that 530, Travis, division of the power indicator, undercut the red dash, regain the red dash. I don't know, something like that.
Yeah, the 530 is actually yesterday's open as well, the 930 open. So that definitely could be a target.
See,
The red dash so far,
I
though.
have to redo. I have to go back to my critical time frame and see if I'm missing that piece of the previous day open there. Let me see. Critical time frame.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, we'll see. I'll have to see here. Well, let's watch that 620. 620 has been sticky, right, Travis?
Yeah, it's decision point.
I think everybody is waiting right now, like kind of the open range to settle everyone, which is already done now. We have the IB high at what, 46? high below right on the red dash power indicator. I could have told you that, right?
Yep. Predictable.
Trade very small size right now because couple of things. Number one, your ATO is slightly elevated, 16, but most importantly, very tight range. The way you don't lose money in those ranges is you don't do anything. You do one trade,
Order filled.
you have larger stop loss, you have targets, and you let your TP, you let your automation do the job. Are we clear on the feed? Please, trying to help you. Okay. Your likes, comments are appreciated, by the way. Okay. Yeah, that's what you do when you have things like this. Good morning, Mark. It's good to see you. Who is around this morning? Let me know. Kathy, you're around? Who's around? Anyway, let's wait. Is there a report at 10 to Travis?
Yeah, I did not look. Let me look real quick. I mean, we were supposed to get, I think, CPI and PPI this week. Of course, that's not happening with the government shutdown. But if that ends this week, we might actually get those next week. Not seeing anything today. There are some Fed speakers. Well, there's a Fed speaker now, Williams at 9:20, and then there's another one at 10, another one at 10:20. The Treasury Secretary Bezant speaks at 10:45. So there's some people talking, but no actual reports.
Well. See, started to come, guys, to us. We're going to manage our shorts now.
Yeah, it's starting to break down here. I'm short 1 micro.
Order filled.
It is starting to break down.
Order filled.
We have the 520 target now.
Order filled.
520
Order
target.
filled.
520 target. I don't even know what I have been copying this one. You know what? I'll tell you what I need to manage
Order filled.
properly.
Order filled.
Nice, Kathy. Congrats. She already made her QQQ trade.
Nice.
Order filled.
I think we're going 520 quickly, unless this was the sweep. But I don't think so. I think we're going towards the 520 power indicator division. I'm going to trail very carefully some of my accounts here, because I have one of my pro account is a little banged down, and the other one I did very well. I'm going to Pro Plus. I forgot this shit here. We are going to have a bunch of back and forth here, guys, you know. I'm going to trail closely on my Take profit account. Yeah, I'm not screwing around with that. Cannot screw around with that. I mean, we didn't have the best entry short, but it's not horrible. We are above 600, right, Travis? It
Yeah,
was,
you got in better than I did.
it
I
was,
waited for this breakdown below the red dash.
yeah, it was not horrible. Boom,
Stop filled.
boom. I trail. Good. Good for me. Good for me. Yeah, I have some 605, 620 area cost basis on a lot of accounts right now. Oh wow, TraderFi, I'm making $700 on my funded. 611 cost basis. Can you guys see it? I'm copying as well.
Yep, we see it.
Okay. So this is good. That was a needed profit on this one. This was a needed profit. I needed this profit, so that's good.
Order filled.
Everything 80, 90, I'm going to add to the short. 80, 90, I'm adding to the short for 520, push down, liquidity sweep, and then I might go start buying the 480, 520 area based on the power indicator tools. If it stay for too long above 580, I might close everything down. But let's see what happens right now.
Order filled.
It's annoying too because on top step I'm closed, but I cannot screw it up, you know. Each time I start forcing those top steps,
Order filled.
that's where you start getting the blow up on them, you know.
Yep, you got to be patient with them.
Yeah. You have to, like, it's weird, but you have to, like, it's, and I am not too far. I am like about $3,000 away, less than that. I just need to be patient. That would be my second 150K passed on top step in about 10 days, which gives me two accounts with $4,500 buffer. So it's essentially like getting $9,000 of capital if I pass this one.
Order filled.
Right, Travis?
Yep.
I'm starting to make $900 on one of the top step, that particular top step I'm talking to you about. Let's not screw that up. $80, $90 here. Be careful. $80, $90 might rebound some. This is where it becomes dangerous there when it stays around that.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Order filled.
I just closed this one. I don't want this thing to go back against me badly.
Order filled.
Here, 600, we are back. This is the moment of truth there, see? Do they go 620 and reject again?
Order filled.
Right? Our two MNQ on the board are going to be telling for the rest of the day. Just need to be patient. I mean, they recrossed the red dash. I mean, do they go
Order filled.
do they go and pump it now? After they after all of this. Look at this. You believe? Well,
Order filled.
we're back on the other side.
Yeah, I got stepped out of my.
They sweep that 8 a.m. low, recross the red dash, hold it, power trend box back blue, while coming back to the other side of the range. There's a little bit of a head and shoulder forming on the 15-minute chart, guys. Pull a 15-minute chart, and you will see that there's a shoulder at 28. So this is going to be keyed at 28 now. Watch that 28. Pull a 15-minute chart. Look at that 28 now. I don't even know where my Lucid accounts are. I have some Project X Lucid that I don't even know where they are. I have to go to the portal of Lucid. By the way, I like Lucid very much. I got some payouts on Lucid now, so I officially am able to endorse Lucid. I told you I would not endorse any firms that I don't like, that is not US based, and that is not paying. I mean, US based is, come on, I'm French, born in France. I should not be saying that. But generally speaking, you want an American based company. There's better regulation, oversight, right? And this is why Take Profit is my #1 firm. I mean, I can only speak for how many payouts I've got, for how easy it is. I mean, I don't really promote anything and steer people wrong. And this is definitively one that I like. I like this rejection of the shoulder guys here, Travis.
Order filled.
I gave that shoulder rejection there. I kind of like it. That 28.
Yeah, but is it just going to chop around again and then hold the red dash? That's the problem.
Well, this has been the range that has chop suey everybody since 5 a.m. 577, 642. So yeah, you don't want to do big sizes. You want to be cool like a cucumber. I don't give a shit if I lose $200 here, but I don't want to trade in and out and in and out and in and out like a degenerated trader gambler. I know I'm doing few trades done by 10:45. No PM trades, limit time, limit size, use the power indicator for your swing trading, your retirement accounts for assets, and trading. It works, it works. Doesn't work, it's fine. It's another day tomorrow. You know, I have 16 plus funded account. I don't need to have FOMO. Does that make sense, everyone? You don't need to have FOMO. You go from one account to the next account to the next account. I just cannot explain it better than that, man.
Order filled.
Right? I'm trying a little MQ short again around the 22. We'll see. Some micros. I want to see if they got the liquidity here to the division of the power indicator, which happened to be the IB low from yesterday as well, you know, and bring it back. I don't know yet. The red dash right there is huge support. So I don't know yet. So I can only tiptoe with micros here. Does that make sense, Travis? That's all I can do right now.
Yep, that's all we can do.
It's all I can do. Is put a stop loss around 40 and put a target around 530 and just wait. One way or the other, I'm right or wrong. That's it. But the in, the out, the in, the out, that's what kills you guys. Believe me, I've been there, done that. It's not fun. It's not fun at all. Yeah. Good morning, Kathy. She got 10 QQQ contract for $250, $250 profit. Nice. Charles says that, no, Mark says the bonds are closed today. I didn't realize the bond market was closed today.
Yeah, bonds and banks are closed today, so there's no big institutional buyers, no institutional traders.
Yeah, I didn't realize that. Do you know that I bought myself a 50K account yesterday on Top Step just to do what you told me, what I've learned, that I can use the reset of the 50K to apply it to the 150K. I love the strategy, man. If it works,
yeah, nice little trick.
Wow, it's a great trick. For $50, you get a 150K reset.
Order filled.
That will help me get my 5 on Top Step. Does that make sense?
Order filled.
I have not traded a 50K account for the longest time, and I'm trading like this 50K right now. I'm 9 shorts on this 50K, guys, now. Do you guys see?
Yeah, we see it.
It's a lot of shorts to stand for a 50K. It's micros. It's micros. Let's see. But think about it, Travis. I don't really want to pass it, isn't it? You want to use it as a rebuild credit, isn't it?
Yeah, you don't want to pass it. You don't need to fail it. You don't need to blow it, but you don't want to pass it.
It's just done on me. Why am I wasting time on it? I don't want to pass it. Freaking dummy. Hold on.
Order filled.
This is the wrong account.
Order filled.
That's the account that I want.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's the account. There.
Order filled.
I have another account right now.
Yeah, so Tammy, with Top Step, they now give you a free reset every time you have one of your evaluation accounts rebill. It used to be if you blew one of your evaluation accounts, when it rebilled, they would just reset the account for you. Now they just give you a free reset and you have a bank.
Yeah, guys, you just told me that, so I'm out. I'm going to get out, take my money. I don't want to pass it. I don't want to kill it.
Right. So yeah, so you get a free reset every rebuild. So, and you can use it for any size account. So what we're saying is you can have now it's finally going. You can have a 50K evaluation account rebill, you get a free reset, and you can use that free reset on any size account. So you can use that on a 150K account. And that's significant because you pay for resets, you pay whatever the account purchases. So 50K accounts are $49 a month. The reset is $49. 150K accounts are $149 a month or $149 to reset it. So with this strategy, you can pay $49 for your rebill on your 50K valuation, and you get that reset that you can use on a 150K account, which would normally cost you $149. So you save $100 doing it that way.
Order filled.
Yeah, on this account, I just made $2,000 on Top Step on the short side.
Nice, good job.
Yeah, and I am on 154 or 55, so I'll progress this one. I have a couple of one I can progress now too. So I have this Express account. Where is it? That I just got last week. I don't even see it now. But anyway, I have it. Oh yeah, here. Express. It's just to Express. That just started 3 days ago. I'm losing 395 on it on this 150K. But now, look now, I can pass probably this 154, 154, 154. You see those 3 that are closed, Travis?
Order filled.
So,
Yep.
oh, what's going on? I need to manage positions.
Yeah, Tammy. So you would pay $49 on that 50K rebill, and that's every month. So as long as you keep that account, you'll pay $49 every month. But you'll get a reset with that every month.
Yeah, that's a great strategy. I didn't know about the strategy. I heard a couple of guys talking about yesterday about the strategy, and I was, holy damn, why I didn't do that before?
And yeah, Mark, that's what we've been saying about Marc Nicolas. That's what we've been saying about micros. It's a lot more relaxed trading, less stress, and you can still make good money.
Yeah. People like
Order filled.
poo them
Order
all the
filled.
time. You know. Ooh, I made a lot of money on one of the. Oh fucking yeah! I just made $5,000 in one of my take profit account.
One of the pros, one of the funded.
Yeah,
Nice.
I'm short 5 NQ. I didn't even know from 624. Ha!
Order
Boom.
filled.
And boom,
Order filled.
out of there, $5,000. $5,000 with a 53% win ratio. Bam. I killed this one. They are going to send me live on this one. Well, it's fine. They are going to send me live on this one. I just saved it.
Order filled.
They are going to save me live on this one, Travis. They are going to do the same shit as the other one. I just realized. Let me show you guys. They are going to do the same thing, Travis. So this morning, we came with this pro account. See this one? And it was at about $3,000. I just made roughly $6,000 in this pro account. They are going to send me live. Each time you make close to $10,000, for the second time, close to $20,000 total payout, they are going to send me live. The same as this one. This 759 account, they are sending me live. So, I mean, at least they send me live. I can't brag about that, but I like live. It's 90-20, right? 90-10. No consistency rule, no cap on payout, daily payout. It's the best live account in the industry, unless you have Top Steps and Top Steps regroup all your money into one account, Travis. I cannot talk about Top Steps since I've never been live on a fully live account on Top Steps. So, but I can show you here if you don't trust me. First of all, I don't give a shit if you don't trust me. I'm 54 years old. I don't need that take profit trader. Where was that? They sent me live. I think they sent me live this weekend. So take profit trader. Proper one was 3 days ago. They sent me. I don't know. By the way, I'm done trading, guys. For now, I took. Well, let's make sure. No, I have to close the position. I'll leave it. Those are macros. Those. Well, I'll close one with you guys. It's 40 points. I'll close one.
Order filled.
Okay, and now I'm going to move the stop loss at the. It's not moving. I'm going to move a stop loss around here. The shoulder 630. Cancel this one, and boom. Okay, so I'm looking for the email to show you if I can find it. And of course, I cannot find it. I thought I had it. Ah, here. Take profit trader, Pro Plus. Let's see. The Pro Plus team. Pro Plus team. You know what it takes to be. I'm going to show you the journey that it takes to be invited at Pro Plus. Because I think many of you watching the stream do not realize the journey. I don't see it. Take profit. Okay, show me the email. I cannot find it. Find pro account. Pro Plus, maybe? Support Pro Plus? I don't know. Yeah. Let's make sure that let's make sure there is no personal information showing. Look, can you guys see the email?
Yeah, we see it.
So what happened is that 759 account I was showing you, I made $10,000 in one day last week, and they said no mas, we're sending you to the Pro Plus, and that's fine. There is a guy last week using 4 Pro Plus account, Travis, that did $1.6 million in 3 days. $1.6 million in 3 days.
Yeah, I saw that. Was it, I forget, like Lando Trades or something like that? I saw something on Twitter about that, actually.
Say that again?
Lando Trades? It's something like that. I forget what it was. Alto Trades, Lando Trades?
I saw something like that. But $1.6 million using the Pro Plus, 3 Pro Plus like this. So now I'm going to have no, not 3 yet, 4. Now I have 2. So I have to work 3 more to show them. And like the $10,000 I just made this morning, like the $6,000 I made this morning, that might push me to Pro Plus with that account as well. So if that happens, that would be wonderful because that'll be 3 Pro Plus. 3 live Pro Plus would be insane. 90-10 split, daily payout. I mean, it's like having 3 bank accounts, man. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that'd be really nice. A few things coming across here. So Tammy, there's no affiliate link, but there is an affiliate code there in the banner. So you go to takeprofittrader.com and then use the code PPI at checkout, and you'll get a 40% discount.
Oh no, Tammy is asking for Top Step. Top Step doesn't have an affiliate. We don't.
Oh, is it Top Step? Oh, okay.
If you do Top Step, the one that we like the best is Take Profit Trader. But look, if you're not really good with prop firms and the prop firm environments and what we do and stuff like that, like the stuff we show you this morning, managing 16 funded account, having a 2 Pro Plus account, having 4 Pro account, of now 3 Pro account, 2 Pro Plus account, and passing and getting payout, just maybe start with a 50K account on Top Step. I need to focus, guys. It's rejecting again.
Trade golf, is it worth to reset a pro take profit account? As far as I understand, it's really expensive, so probably not worth it. With Top Step, it's cheaper to reset the funded accounts. So for the 50K, it's $500 to reset that. For the 150K, it's $730 to reset it. In my personal opinion, it's not worth it to reset the 50K. When you reset a funded account, what you're doing is you're just skipping the evaluation process. So for a 50K, it's not necessarily worth paying $500 to skip the evaluation process, because you only need to make $3,000 to pass, to get back to funded. So that's not too tough. Whereas with the 150K, the $730 is worth it, in my opinion, because now you're saving yourself having to make $9,000 in an evaluation account. You skip that process. So I think it's worth it for the 150K, not the 50K, and that's on Top Step. For take profit, it doesn't sound like it's worth it because of the cost. And then Marc Nicolas, what do we mean by resetting an account? Well, with what we were just talking about with the prop firms, especially with the evaluation accounts, but when you blow an evaluation account, or even if you blow a funded account, meaning that you dip down below, the account goes below your max loss limit. You have a max loss limit with these accounts when you have them. Like in your personal account, if you fund a personal account, your max loss limit is 0, right? You go to 0 and you don't have the account anymore. It's gone. Same kind of principle in these prop accounts. They set a max loss limit, a number that you cannot go below, or you lose the account. So if you do lose the account, you have the ability to reset the accounts. You pay a fee, and you reset. You start back at scratch with the accounts. So that's what we mean by resetting.
Travis, I reached max profit on the Top Step account.
Outstanding. That's the second one that you were just trying to pass? Or are you talking about this third one?
It was one that was around 154.
Okay.
So
now you're within 1,000 or 2 of passing?
Let me show you. Yeah, I am at 156.8 on this one now.
Okay, great.
Yeah, I'm happy. That's going to help. You see it?
Order filled.
Yeah, we see it now.
That's it. Yeah. This is what, $2,200 away from passing this one now.
Well, not anymore. You got to make. You went over on it, so you're gonna have to make an additional $800.
How much did I go over?
So you went over 400.
Oh, they might bring me to 160, 161 with that.
Yeah, it'll be $800 extra that you have to make.
How do you figure that? I think it's 2 or 3 times the amount above.
It's 2 times because it's a 50% consistency. So you went over by 400, so you'll have to make an additional 800 to pass.
Okay, so this one is 156.8, 155 almost by $50, 154. So those 3, hopefully we cook them to pass and join this express right there. That would be right there. This express that I'm losing on the express 395 so far that I started last week. So going slow with the express, but I'm cooking 3. I like 3 or 4 or 5. I told you guys, this was my goal last week. If you look and listen to the feed, right? I want to do well with the Top Step. Because if I have the 5 Top Step, the Empire is is locked at least for the next few months. If I don't do stupid stuff, the empire is locked for the next few months. Yeah. This short that we have is making 40 points. He went to 80 points. I'm still keeping the runner for now. We can put a little trend line on it like this. We can put another trend line or a channel like that now. Going with those lows right there and see what happens. Are they going to recross or reject again the red dash from the power indicators? Well, we don't need this channel. I need to see clearly what's going on between the power indicator divisions and the zones from our tools. We might sweep one last time, guys, all the way to 519. Well, I guess there's not a lot I can do on Top Step this morning because everything else has already reached profit, max profit, or I have to trade this small 50K account. So I guess I'm done with Top Step for today. Top Step is done. We're moving on to Trader.We maybe. I don't know. But Trader.We is not doing great, man. Guys, it does not fail on the funded account. If I trade more than 3 NQ, Travis, I stress the account, man.
I mean, that happens to me when I just do one NQ.
I stress the account, and it's not good. Those stuff are meant to be traded with micros. Those. I don't know where my Lucid accounts are, and I don't know. At this point. I don't know what to copy. Why 3420 funding ticks 953 420 funding ticks 420 funding ticks here. We are going to copy 1 and 3. I don't like to copy also more than 2 or 3 accounts at the time, guys. I think it's dangerous to do the rotation like this. 2 maybe at the time. 420 is going to be my lead here. Not a big fan. I might go reshort this thing. We'll see. I made really the money that I wanted this morning. I mean, look, that Top Step was advancing nicely. One of my take profit account did over $6,000. So I really advanced really nicely this morning. I might be done soon. Gym time. Should go at the gym and refocus my mind. I think I'm going to do micros now.
Order filled.
Oh, this is the wrong account. That's the account with you. I just shorted one more micros. Hold on.
Order filled.
I wanted another one there.
Order filled.
LTD0 is currently set to LTD02. Oh, it doesn't want to copy this one. Are you done trading, Travis?
No, I'm still in a short. I did give back some profit on that huge up bar when I was short originally, and so actually now only up a little over $200 on the day. So
I think we all need to tighten up our stops if we're short. I feel like the 92,
Order
90,
submitted.
91 area should be stop loss for everybody. We should not let this thing go back to the other side of the range towards 620, 650. You don't want that. Okay? You don't want that. You don't want this reversal on the range.
Trade Golf, I had never heard of that firm before you just said it. I'm looking at it now. Have you heard of Phidias?
Yes, I heard about them, but I don't know if they are any good. I have no idea if they are any good. Look, I'm a simple guy. I stick to what pays. Top step, take profit trader, fund Lucid, funding ticks, those four. And
Trade day.
And you can use the code PPI. Trade day, yeah, but I just bump into a problem with trade day that I need to solve. So
Okay.
until I solve this problem, I will let you know.
They're off the list. Got it.
No, they're nice people. They're nice
Order
guys.
filled.
I know the owner. They're nice guys.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
No doubt. But I have a little issue I need to solve. Once it's solved,
Oh, they're French. Phidias.
oh, are they French?
That's what he said.
Let's put it that way. If they are French, avoid them. Right.
That's funny.
Coming from a French guy, take it for with a golden nugget right there. I'll be right back, Travis. It's all yours. I need a coffee refill, please.
All right, no problem. Yeah, kind of. We're hanging out now, hanging above this 525, which is yesterday's initial balance low. Looks like we're about to establish our initial balance for today, which will be just above that. So I will be looking for a sweep below today's initial balance. Again, down towards that 500 or 490 was my target on that. We do have the division of our calculator here at 512. So across below the initial balance, like I said, that's kind of what I would expect to happen. And then from there, see if we rebound, recross, and have the initial balance as a support zone, or if it's just going to keep going and keep going down towards the 400. So that's officially 532.75 is the initial balance low.
Did you look on what's going on here on assets here going on? I'm curious to see what's going on with assets this morning. Let's see what the market is. So on the weak side, we have a bunch of cryptos. Nvidia a little weak this morning, guys. The uranium a little weak this morning. Palantir a little weak. Okay, on the strong side, what do we have? BBBI, Charles, if you're in the room. PayPal.
Yeah, Charles was here earlier.
Yeah. There's not a lot of strong stuff in the market this morning, guys. The market is weak. I'm telling you, market is weak. Not a lot of strong stuff this morning. Guys, I made my 10 G's. I love you guys. I'm done. That's the way I do things, I come, I go. I don't stay too long. I don't click all day long. I limit time. I limit size. I make money within a certain window. I limit also mental capital and stress. I go at the gym, so I have to take all those nice clothes, go at the gym, and just take care of myself, my businesses. It's a sunny day. It's a cold day here at Atlanta, but a sunny day. I will be back. We are back tomorrow. Don't forget, we stream every Tuesday and every Wednesday outside the mastery group, outside the private group, every Tuesday, Wednesday for about 1.5 to 2 hours in the morning, guys. Love you all, everybody. Any question? Is it worth to reset a pro take profit? My answer is no, because for 7, it costs you about $216 to pay a pro 150, a test account 150K, right? A trader golf. And you can get 7 of those, which you can pass probably 2 or 3. So you end up getting 2 or 3 passed pro instead of resetting a $1,500. And if you lose it with the trailing drawdown, you'll be pissed off, man. You'll be pissed off. And I have done it. And I can tell you it's not worth the money. You're better off taking 2 days, 3 days, 10 days, pass 2 or 3, and it's a lot more better cost-efficient approach to keep going forward. We are making the new low. We are going towards our target. We told you 509, 520, bam, right on the power indicator. And I can tell you this thing could go even down all the way to the 300, 400 if we keep on going. I love you all, everybody. I hope it was helpful. We gave you everything. Look again this trade right now. We have $250 with 2 micros. That means we did 130 points with 1 micros. This is insane. The cost basis is right there at 628. 628 when I called you the head and shoulder. Bam! 628 to 508. Over 120 points on the downside. I love you all, everybody. I'm out of here. I've done my job. I helped you. I gave you the directions. And, well, hopefully it helps. We'll finish with our traders music, everybody. And again, never, ever give up. If this is what you want to do and you want to be a great trader, listen to the music, and hopefully it was helpful.
Never, ever give up. I almost let go 1,000 times. Traded my sleep for a shot at consistency. Blood and tears fell through long, lonely weeks. My dream kept me going when I felt too weak. Whoa, never give up through blood, tears, and success. I am the unknown best YouTube trader, here to share, help me trade past to pay out. Together and invest in assets that produce income together. Thinking way differently, we are experienced traders, helping traders through the mountains, the journey of being a profitable trader.